Yo, it is Smooth Lifetime, man. We are back with another video, man. Yes, sir. I know we gotta start our days off with a cold start. But yeah, today, man, I gotta get a flu shot. My job requires you get a flu shot, so, and if you don't get one, they'll be really mad. So that's what I'm about to go do. Get a flu shot. I haven't got a flu shot in so long, though. We never really took flu shots. I never needed one. I never really got sick. I feel like if I take the shot now, I'm gonna feel sick. Y'all think I'm gonna feel sick? I do. These Nebraska roads. Y'all see the camera shaking? Look, look, look. And it's cold too, and I got no little jacket. But we about to go get this flu shot. So whenever I'm low on gas, it kicks in the eco mode, the V4 mode, like so fast now. Like whenever I'm like not low, it says V8 the whole time. And I gotta really try to go slow for it to say V4 or low throttle. But low gas, it immediately kicks into it, which is so cool. But at the same time, I'm getting that tuned out. So we're gonna say bye-bye to this in a couple months. Okay, so we are at the doctor. Now we gotta put this mask on, big COVID. Okay, take that with me. We are going to get the flu shot.
Soon after.
Okay. And we are back already, man. That man's hurt. But I ain't gonna be a little kid about it, you feel me? No, I'm joking. But yeah, I got my little shot. See my Band-Aid. Like a little kid. I got, what I got? Can you see it? Bugs Bunny? You can't really see it. Yeah, I got bugs. Whew. Flu shot down. Now it is time to go get gas because I am at 29. Yep, and it is time to get gas because as you can see, 29 miles left. And this is when the car starts to drive funny and stay in V4 mode most of the time. That AFM, Eco, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so we are on the way to get gas. I'll see y'all there. To the crib. We got some cosmetic mods for y'all today. Well, for me. Something I should have been done. Boy, this motherfucking 18-wheeler almost hit my dumb ass, and this van is gonna pull out. What the? You good, bro? You know. But people cannot drive here. Is it turning? Oh, they're turning. Boy, that 18-wheeler almost hit me. Yeah, fill up. I ain't did no pulls. It's been snowing, ice. The road's finally clear.
A few moments later.
I ain't joking. That feels so good. We have made it to the Mikasa, whatever. We made it to the crib. Well, y'all probably could have seen from the video, the title, but we're going to be putting this on my Camaro. So as you can see, it will be black, not red. I can't wait. And we'll be doing the back also. Like the back is where it's going to be most noticeable. But the front is easy because the front has a spot for the SS badge. The back is where you gotta tape it and mess them. You just wanna take off the SS badge first, so get out some floss. Take these off because I can't really. Floss. Let me stop being a little kid, little girl. Floss. I'm gonna get behind the badge, so Okay, we finally got it off. We finally got it off. And we got most of that adhesive off that came off with it, so this is what I like to do. You get some goo on or goo off. This is goo off. Almost sound like Gucci goo off, but spray a little bit on the, probably it's not froze, spray a little bit on the rag. And just go back and forth. You'll see it start to come off. I'm gonna take off the little, take off the back end. Oh, that's my neighbor's truck. Sound good. You always make sure the bars on the bottom are always on the bottom. You about to take off, should I wave at him? Wave. Okay, so you always make sure the bar is on the bottom and not the top, because the SS, this is the top, this is the bottom. So you wanna put it up there as best as you can. Luckily this has already like a cutout of the badge, so it's not that hard, but you press. Make sure it's on there. I would press and hold for like 30 seconds. Good job. Voila. Black SS. Like bow tie. Get my lazy chair, man. That. Let me go to chair. Since this was on the back paint, I'm gonna clean off a little detail spray. I'm saying about my bottle. I broke that bottle. You spray, so spray a little detail spray in here. You wanna just rub around the area. This is before you take it off. Just rub in the area. Yes, the car is filthy. I live in Nebraska. Snows here. But for the back one, I like to spray some Google on around the top, just so it can like break into it a little bit. Let it sit there, marinate. As you can see, it's going down. I like this, you really need to fly back because you don't want to mess up your paint using anything else. Other than a heat gun, but I don't have one. So this is how you do it without a heat gun. Take the tape, floss it like you did the front. And it's coming right off. Wow. Up. And there goes the old one. And this one was upside down anyway. I don't know whoever did that, I should paint like that. Let that sit there. Give it like a couple seconds to marinate. And then just start wiping back and forth. It'll eventually come off. You need tape. So you need tape to know your position of the SS. I almost got carried away, you guys. I almost messed up. All right, so. Right there. I'm putting a little bit out. So now, I'm not keep scrubbing off the glue off. I'm not scraping off the tape. See? We finally got it off. Now next, you just want to do a little bit more of that detail spray just to make sure it's clean. Do a little bit of Remember, the bar connected bottom. The top is not really connected in the middle, so just remember that when you put these on, because I see a lot of people putting them on backwards. I even did it one time, and after that, never again. And just peel off your adhesive. I mean, not your adhesive, but your paper. Just covering the adhesive. Make sure it's straight. And, ooh. Wow. So this is what I would do, just in case anything. Push it down. What, like 30 seconds? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. All right. And we are gonna take off your tape. She is blacked out, man. This only took like, what, 20 minutes, if that? Let's make our way to the front. She is blacked out. I love it. I love it. Well, that's it. That's the end of the video. We put the batteries on Lola. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and push that notification bell. And once again, like, comment, subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. When we get to 100 subscribers, I got a surprise for you guys, for you smooth lifers. But with that being known, Smooth Life Tie, out.